I said it before and I'm just gonna say it again. Hindi ako naniniwala na merong premium client, but you can aim to be a premium freelancer. Sabi kasi dito ni Iya, meron po akong experience, pero bakit po mahirap humanap ng work? Kahit sana hindi premium client, magka-work lang. Imagine in a world where everyone is aiming to get the same thing. Yet, kaunti pa lang yung nakakaunawa on how to get there. For example, naghahanap tayo ng client and we believe na meron naman tayong experience, and when we say experience, nakaranas tayo na magtrabaho halimbawa sa isang similar position. However, kahit na may experience tayo, hindi naman natin alam kung paano nga bang ipipresent yung sarili natin as someone who can help yung business nila, then definitely hindi pa rin tayo ang pipiliin. I attended day 1 ng WOSCON yesterday. And I did take note of a couple of things na I think would be helpful, lalo na if you're an aspiring freelancer pa lang. It says there that the very first step sa marketing activation would be to productize. The very first question there is, what are you selling? How does this help your target market? What problem is it solving? And then the next step is for you to identify who are you selling it to. So those two things, you need to be able to answer first before you even try applying. A lot of aspiring freelancers, doon pa rin tayo sa mentality na kapag pumunta tayo sa isang platform, parang pumunta ka rin lang sa isang opisina, isasubmit mo yung resume mo, and then ipoprocess na nila yung application mo. As a freelancer, guys, remember, it's already considered a business. And when you are doing business-to-business model, ibig sabihin, kailangan alam mo kung paano mong seservisyohan yung business ng kliyente mo through your services. So, hindi na lang ibig sabihin na may experience ka na ay ikaw na ang kukunin ng kliyente. Mahirap talagang maghanap ngayon because very competitive na ang market. More and more people are learning how to create their own UVP or unique value proposition. Ibig sabihin, kung hindi ka pa marunong gumawa ng UVP mo, hindi mo pa alam kung sino yung tinutulungan mo at paano mo silang tinutulungan, dun ka munang mag-focus. Ang hirap kasi kapag papasok ka sa freelancing ng ang alam mo lang is, okay, so pupunta ako sa isang platform or pupunta ako sa isang agency at pagkatapos, i-hire nila ako. Hindi na ganun ngayon ang labanan. Kaya, ang ganda kasi ngayon, hindi na lang siya para dun sa mga gusto lang ng easy money. Para na to dun sa mga tao na talagang matataliktik or mandirigma ang utak. At kung hindi ka pa nakakarating dun sa point na yon, that is okay. Because everything can be learned even if magsimula ka pa sa walang experience ever. Ibig sabihin laang, this time, hindi na siya kagaya nung unang panahon na, bigyan mo naman ako ng client yung data entry lang. Hindi na siya ganun ngayon. I have a lot of friends na tinuruan ko 10 years ago, 5 years ago, babalik sila sasabihin, meron ka bang work dyan? And lagi kong inuuna sa kanila kasi nag-practice na rin sila before Nalaman na nila kung paano yung ginagawa ko noong una. Akala nila ganun pa rin pagbalik nila. No. So, babalik ako doon sa unang-unang topic na sinabi ko, no? Hindi ako naniniwala sa premium client because ang premium nyo pwedeng normal ko. Ang premium ko pwedeng normal lang iba. Because, again, when it comes to pricing our services, iba-iba tayo ng ino-offer sa clients. Ibig sabihin, yung target market natin is iba-iba din. At yung pricing nun, iba-iba din. So, I saw someone posting na I landed the premium client at $10 an hour and I'm like, okay, premium na sa'yo yan. Diba? May ganun, guys. May ganun. So, instead of aiming to land a premium client, be a premium freelancer. In the next couple of videos that I will be posting, I will try and share parang more processes na would be focused more on how you can elevate your services as a freelancer because, again, I am currently attending the World of Search conference and this is for not just for aspiring virtual assistants freelancers, but this is actually ang pinakang target audience niya is agency owners, people who's been in the industry for over 5 years and are now looking to scale their business. So, kung aspiring freelancer ka, balik ka muna sa mga lumang videos ko because from this point onwards, it will be for those who are looking to elevate na yung kanilang freelancing business. Kung excited ka na sa aking blow by blow. Guys, as I attend the World of Search Conference, I will be documenting my journey, no holds barred. So, lahat ng pros, lahat ng cons, lahat ng makikita ko na nandun, ikukwento ko sa inyo. I'll try to be a better note taker para lang mas marami akong mai-share sa inyo. And I will also be sharing this sa aking YouTube channel. So, please make sure to subscribe.